What's up, y'all? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, we're going to talk about the retractable baby gate that we installed here on the back porch. We needed some sort of barrier. We had been using a old school baby gate as a barrier to keep the dogs from running back and forth, barking at the neighbors. So we needed a barrier there. We had been using an old baby gate. We decided to go with the PRObebi retractable baby gate on Amazon. Works great. Dogs don't try to run through it, and it's sturdy enough as a visual barrier to keep them from even trying to go through the threshold. Easy to use, easy to mount. There's a locking mechanism here. The hardware it came with two sizes of hardware depending on what sort of wall you're installing it on. With us, it's a solid wooden beam, so we use the longer hardware, but you may elect to use the shorter hardware if you're installing this inside the house. Super easy, looks nice, isn't in the way like the old baby gate is, and it is very easy to deal with. Just like that. Great product, we like it, works for our needs. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been informative. Y'all take care.